Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by preparing both devices so the link is stable. First, make sure the PC and laptop share the same network. Wired is preferable for low latency. Next, enable network discovery and allow remote display or projection traffic through the firewall so the machines can see each other. Install or enable whatever software you'll use, Windows projecting, remote desktop, or a third-party app. Once that's done, plug the laptop into power and disable sleep so the session won't interrupt mid-setup. Now configure the display session itself. On the target laptop, open the host mode, project to this PC, a VNC host, or your app's receiver. Then on the PC, initiate a connection using the laptop's name or IP address. When connected, choose extended display rather than mirrored so the laptop acts as a second monitor. Adjust resolution and scaling to match physical size and pixel density. Also set audio routing if you want sound on the laptop. Make sure to test cursor movement and drag windows between screens to finish by arranging displays and locking in settings. Set which display is primary in the OS and save resolution and scaling so apps remember placements. If performance is poor, switch to a wired connection, reduce the remote resolution, or close CPU and network-intensive programs. If you can't connect, recheck the laptop's IP address, confirm firewall rules and remote access permissions, and restart the host app or both machines. One quick tip: temporary antivirus or VPN software often blocks local links. Disable them briefly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.